Natalia Alzate from Aberystwyth University. Here we are in Svalbard, and this is a view of the old observatory here in Longyearbyen. This is where we will be set up and observing the eclipse on Friday, March 20th. The observatory is located just outside the center of town. As you can see, perfect clear day today. We hope and expect it to be like this on Friday. And as you can see, we have a great view of the sun there. Very beautiful place. Conditions are great today. So we are set up inside the observatory here, ready to test the equipment for Friday.